A common question that we are asked is, do wage garnishments affect credit score? Before we answer, let us briefly explain what a wage garnishment is. Wage garnishment is a legal process in which a portion of an individual's earnings is withheld by their employer to pay off a debt. This process is initiated by a court order or a government agency directive, typically when a debtor has failed to repay a debt voluntarily. How wage garnishment works. 1 court order or government directive. Creditors or government agencies must first obtain a court order or directive to garnish wages. This legal action is taken after attempts to collect the debt through other means have failed. 2. Employer notification. Once the court order is issued, the employer is notified and legally obligated to withhold a specified portion of the employee's wages. 3. Withholding of wages. The employer deducts the garnished amount from the employee's paycheck. The percentage or amount that can be garnished is regulated by federal and state laws to ensure that the debtor retains enough income to cover basic living expenses. 4. Payment to creditor. The withheld wages are then sent directly to the creditor or agency to whom the debt is owed until the debt is fully paid off. Types of debts leading to wage garnishment. 1. Unpaid taxes. Federal, state, and local taxes. 2. Child support and alimony. Court-ordered support payments. 3. Student loans. Federal student loan debts. 4. Consumer debts. Credit card debts, medical bills, and other personal loans. Let's look at limits and protections. Federal law limits the amount that can be garnished from an individual's paycheck. Typically, the maximum amount is either 25% of disposable earnings or the amount by which weekly wages exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. Some states have even stricter limits to protect employees from excessive garnishment. To avoid wage garnishment, it is crucial to 1. Stay current on payments. Ensure that debts are paid on time. 2. Communicate with creditors. If facing financial difficulties, negotiate payment plans with creditors before the situation escalates to garnishment. 3. Seek legal advice. Consult with a financial advisor or attorney to explore options for managing debt, such as debt consolidation or bankruptcy. Understanding wage garnishment helps individuals better manage their finances and take proactive steps to avoid legal and financial complications. Now, do wage garnishments affect credit score? Yes, wage garnishments can indirectly affect your credit score. While the garnishment itself is not reported to credit bureaus, the financial issues that lead to the garnishment, such as missed payments or defaulting on debts, can negatively impact your credit score. Here's how it generally works. 1. Missed payments. Wage garnishments usually occur after a period of missed payments or defaulting on debts. These missed payments can be reported to credit bureaus and lower your credit score. 2. Debt collection. If your debt goes into collections before a garnishment, this negative mark can also affect your credit score. 3. Financial stress. Dealing with wage garnishment often indicates financial difficulty, which can lead to other financial problems that impact your credit, such as higher credit card balances or additional missed payments. Therefore, while the garnishment itself isn't directly reported, the circumstances leading up to it can have a significant impact on your credit score. It's crucial to manage debts proactively and seek financial counseling if you're facing challenges.